Hi everyone, how you doing? Right, I've just been messing around with some blanks, so I thought I'd just do a short video on what blanks are available for us in the UK. I'll start on the right hand side that looks like the shotgun. So that's a 12 gauge shotgun blank, and it's just filled with gunpowder. They aren't much longer than the cut off section that you see in there. I've just cut the top off to gain access to the gunpowder, and that's all this is just normal gunpowder. But it is professional grade gunpowder, which is corned. Which means that after you've made the gunpowder, you can press it extremely tight with a lot of tonnage in a press to create kind of a biscuit of gunpowder, and then this biscuit is shaved off into large granules. That's how you get the fast burning professional gunpowder. That process is known as corning. A little bit like corned beef, I suppose. In the middle we've got the 8mm blank, those most often used in the Glock blank firer that we have in the UK. A lot of people have the orange thing that everybody ends up painting black straight away, I'm sure. But yeah, the 8mm blank in the middle. I've got an inert round in the back there just to show sort of similar size difference between the 8 and 9mm blanks. The 9mm of course on the left there. Now these the 8 and the 9mm blanks use a smokeless powder as a propellant rather than the shotgun cartridge just uses normal gunpowder. I'm not sure what the reason for this is, but nevertheless there are two different varieties, two different colours of smokeless powder. You've got in the middle there kind of a green, very small cylindrical grains of powder that go in the 8mm blank. And even though these two blanks are from the same company, I don't know why they're using different smokeless powders. Right, the difference between gunpowder and smokeless propellant, as you can see the gunpowder there out of the shotgun cartridge, and these two centerfire cartridges have the smokeless propellant in them. Smokeless powder is made from nitrocellulose, whereas the gunpowder is obviously made of just the three components of gunpowder. The nitrocellulose is kind of, I suppose, to cut it down to its basics, it's just cotton wool mixed with two acids, and then an extremely complex and dangerous process to end up rendering them as these small professionally shaped chips, kind of like square chips on the left that come out of the 9mm blank, and like I say, small cylindrical chips that come out of the 8mm blank. So just giving you an idea of what goes on there. So I'm just basically, the reason I'm doing this is I'm going to take the propellant out of 2 or 3 different blanks and then ram it all into one basically and completely overload one of them. So I'll see if I can try and get the entire steel casing to explode basically instead of just popping out the top. Because each one of these blanks only has about, I would say, a third of its volume inside full of it's not filled right to the top. None of them are actually. So I'm going to cut 3 blanks to bits and pack it all into one, and then re-glue the top with like a really hard, good quality glue, something like JB Weld or something, and test the difference between the upgraded Mark 1 and the standard Mark 1 explosive crossbow bolt. So thanks for watching. Cool.